We're in Holkin Castle Wood today, this beautiful 47 acres of woodland. So we're here for Campfire Cymru Family Festival and Camp.
Bringing 150 families to this site over this week. Lots and lots of forest school style activities. They're all carers and they're all families with children with disabilities, autism and ADHD. Because we run sessions throughout the year, families will come in a small group of maybe 3 or 4 families, then meet our staff and spend 6 weeks at sessions doing campfires and doing den building and all kinds of interesting craft in the woods.
I've been doing tie-dyeing. I made a bandana, some socks, a t-shirt, a shirt and a bag.
Caleb's got ADHD and autism, and Nexus has got ADHD as well. When they're having bad days, it's not so good, is it? So bringing them here, it just takes that all away, because I can also come to the parent sessions they run here, and it is fantastic.
My eldest lad, he's autistic. It's been absolutely instrumental to him because it gives him an outlet in life, proper grounds him. He has better sleep, he's better around people, he has better school life, he has a lot more social interactions with his cousins, with his family.
Being outdoors is really, really good, reduces your stress hormones, all those benefits of doing activities and being mindful, but you get the super boost of it being outdoors and in nature.
Yeah, definitely you get that sense from people that the sessions that they come to with us are a lifeline.
Each family is completely individual, but I think it's just having some sort of crossover with similar experiences and just people that get it.
Just get some nice warmth going. Yeah, I mean, I've heard a parent come to a session and say, I had to call the police on my child this weekend, and other carers were able to say, oh, I've done that, yeah. So they can understand what's happening in their lives. I do get quite emotional.